What's up, guys? Welcome to Honker Tonk. Big problem throughout the year. You go out, maybe it's just your issue, maybe it's your friend's issue. I don't know. Someone always seems to shoot the decoy. What do? Do we take, I don't know, $15 decoy, throw it out, $20 decoy, throw it out? Probably not. So, I happen to have one. This is a higdon decoy. It's a goose floater, locked head, nothing special. It's about $100 for 4 of these, and I think that was the sale price. So, first things first, we got to figure out where this hole is coming from. I can't see it, so we know it sinks. Easiest thing for me to do right now, I'm going to take it to the bathtub, and we're going to put in water, and we're going to find that hole. Alright, so we're going to throw this joker in, see if we can't figure it out. Looks like we just want to submerge. Okay, so we found our hole. We know where the problem is. We're going to go ahead and get that plugged up. And let me show you how I do it. So, regular caulk gun. Most of them laying around. I think you can pick one up at Home Depot for less than $5. Silicone. So this is actually white because it was a project I used it for a project around the house, and it's what I have laying around. It's such a small hole, I'm not really worried if it even stays white. You could touch it up with a little paint. It's not a huge deal. So this is what I'm using. Silicone, GE, bought it from Walmart, 100% waterproof, 30-minute water ready. So if you're in a pinch, throw it on before you go out. If maybe you hunt the morning, you want to go out and hunt the afternoon and you shot your decoys up, grab this stuff. It works great. I've used it multiple times. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit. Actually, I'll just put it on my finger. Put it here. Work it in. Just throw it in. Move it around. Grab your rag. Wipe off the excess there. And good. Ready to rock. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it with your friends. This is how we fix a shot up decoy.